Hi, I'm Albert Yip. Welcome back to this series on Learn Chinese the Read and Write Way. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the more ancient concept of the five elements which make up everything. I think Greek also have a something concept like this. So we talk about what are in the olden times, what are the fundamental elements of things. For the Chinese, there are five elements. The five, the five elements respectively is metal, wood, fire, water, and earth. So these five words will be used in a lot of Chinese characters representing uh, things in each of the categories. So knowing these five words will help us a long way along understanding some of the Chinese characters. So today I will going to introduce you to these five elements which we, the olden Chinese believe everything is made up of. The five words are the first one stand for gold, or when it is used on in a word usually means part of some kind of metal. The second word stands for wood. The third is water, and then fire, and then earth. Now, I need to uh, get you to notice that for the word earth, the longer stroke is the lower stroke. There is another word with the longer stroke being on the top. They mean different things. These two words mean different things, and they're two different words. So don't confuse one with the other. So let's try to put together some new Chinese words using words which we already know in order to understand how we Chinese compose our characters. The first one I'd like to introduce to you is remember these two words? The first one stands for the sun, or in the case when we are talking about dates, that stands for the day. The next one is stands for moon, or in the case when we're talking about dates, it is the month. If we put them together to form one word, what does it mean? When these two bright objects are put together, it means bright, brightness, bright. Makes sense, isn't it? The sun is the brightest object in the day, and the moon is the brightest object at night. So together they mean bright. I have also introduced you to the word small, so maybe it's time to introduce you to the word big. This is small, remember that? Now, this is big. With small and big, we can now start to create a new word. Small at top, big at large. That means it forms a sharp edge. So this word means sharp. Small at top, large at the bottom. If we have two wood, two tree, so it is a small bush. If we have three, it is a forest. It is a forest. But usually when we say forest, we usually use these two words together. But well, this is the case in a lot of Chinese phrase. We double the meaning in expressing an idea. It is easier to understand when a concept is expressed by more than one word, so that the same pronunciations is not as misleading, because if every concept is represented by one word, then many concepts will sound exactly the same, almost the same. So by combining different words with different sound, then to make up a concept, that makes us the understanding a lot more easy. So a lot of concepts actually doubled in terms of the meaning from each word. So is the forest. When we try to express the forest, we use both of these words, but in this order. So we'll go with this one first and then that one. So that combined together means forest. Another one we have talked about is this. This is human, man. Anything with this. For example, you have Chinese, China. So China is towards the Middle Kingdom, and then with the word people underneath it, that means Chinese. So this is the word for representing people. When a people is close to a tree, what they do? They rest. So this word means rest. I hope I have now shown you a few of the ideas how we combine different words together. So to illustrate one more, I will use this word. A little bit of earth. What's that? A very small bit of earth. Well, that's the dust. Interesting, isn't it? Okay, next time I will continue with this theme and talk a bit more how we create words using basic concepts. See you then. Bye bye.